Welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Chinia. I am a braider from North Carolina who also has a passion for teaching. I have an online braid academy where you can find my stitch braiding course and also my 2-braid course. I have it linked in the description box. Alright, so let's get into this week's video. Today I'm doing a half sewing on my little sister. She's getting, the little snake braids in the front, so it's gonna be real cute. If you follow me on Instagram, you already seen this style. If you don't, it's linked in the description box. This was my first time doing this style, so I was a little scared about the sewing. I'm not really, confident in my sewing skills, but it turned out real cute. We got this curly hair from ULAHAIR. They are the sponsor of today's video. They sent me 4 bundles of their deep wave texture, 2 26-inch and 2 24-inch bundles. We actually only ended up using 3 bundles, so it worked out. If you want a fuller look, of course you can use all 4, but we wanted it to look, semi-natural, so we only used 3 of them. And actually they were curlier than what we expected, but that was actually perfect because we both like curly hair better, so it worked out. One thing I really loved about this hair was the texture. I loved how curly it stayed even after we wet it, because sometimes you take it out the pack and it look all perfect and cute, and then when you wet it, the curls like drop and they be looking like more of a wave. The curls stay intact. They stay just as curly as they look when you get them out the pack. So yeah, I love that about it. I also noticed that the wefts were really flat, so it was very easy for me to sew her hair down without it, being bulky or whatever. Like, it laid down really flat. Also, the hair was super easy to manage. It did shed a little bit, but it wasn't anything like crazy. She didn't complain about it tangling or matting up, and every time I saw her, it looked real good. It looked just like it looked the first day. So I would say this hair lasted really good. So if y'all want a style, similar to this one that's not going to be in your head for months, then I would definitely recommend you getting this hair. It's also very affordable. So yeah, do your research, of course, but click the link in my description box if you want to purchase this hair. And once again, thank you, ULAHAIR, for sponsoring our video. was gonna say, but just look at it. I don't have to say much. Okay.